Welcome to this lesson on practical AI implementation. Today, we're moving beyond basic prompts to show you how I would actually use ChatGPT if I were running your business. Most business owners start by asking for emails or social posts. While useful, that's the least interesting way to use AI. Let's look at the problem first approach. Hi, I'm AI Rajesh, your AI consultant. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to treat ChatGPT as an operations assistant that understands your specific business context and helps you make better decisions. The first thing I would do is explain my business to ChatGPT. I'd tell it about my manufacturing company in Chandigarh, my team, and how we handle inquiries. This sets the foundation. By doing this, ChatGPT isn't starting from zero. It understands your constraints, your market, and your team structure before it ever makes a suggestion. Next, I'd ask it to help me find the friction. I want ChatGPT to interview me about sales, operations, and finance to pinpoint where we are manually copying data or losing time. This is much more powerful than asking, what tools should I use? You're identifying the actual business problems first, then looking for the AI solution. Now let's make it practical. Instead of reading a long customer inquiry manually, I upload it. I ask ChatGPT for a task list, technical requirements, and a draft response in seconds. One long PDF becomes an actionable checklist for your sales team. This drastically reduces the time between a lead arriving and a quotation being sent. I would also upload my sales Excel sheets. I don't want a summary. I want a sales manager. I want ChatGPT to tell me which products are declining and what actions I should take this week. That last line is critical. We aren't just looking for information, we want decisions and actions. AI should help you decide what to do next. Finally, use it to scale knowledge. Take a transcript of an expert employee explaining their process and ask ChatGPT to create a formal SOP with checklists and approval points. Now, knowledge that was locked in one person's head becomes a repeatable business process. This is how you build a scalable manufacturing operation. To recap, don't just use ChatGPT for content. Give it your documents, your processes, and your context. Ask it what happened, why did it happen, and what should I do next. Stop asking what can ChatGPT do and start asking what work is my team doing repeatedly every day. Tackle those tasks first. I'll see you in the next lesson where we dive deeper into automation,